Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new chapter of class 7, that is percentage. Clear? Welcome back to you after your online test. Now when we are talking about the percentage over here, your percentage is itself divided into two parts. One is per and the other one is cent. Clear? In the case of per means divide, and cent, your cent means 100. Clear? Now, if we take an example over here, Amit secured 75 marks out of 100. So it means that if we need to write it down, the percentage of Amit, so that will going to be 75 upon 100. Clear? 75 upon 100 means 75%, because whenever there is a 100 being given in the denominator, it means that you are going to use your percent sign. Clear? Now, the short form of percentage is PC. Clear? Symbol of percentage is slash 1 dot up 1 dot down. This is your symbol of percentage, and this is the short form that you can write it down for percentage. Now we will going to see the relation of percentage with different terms. First, relation of fraction into percentage. Clear? That means that you have any fraction and you need to convert that value into your percentage. For example, if you are having 7 upon 5, this is your fraction and you need to convert it into percentage. Whenever you need to convert it into percentage, you tend to multiply your value, either the fraction, either the decimal, or your whole number. You will going to multiply it by 100. Clear? 5 520 140%. क्लियर? अब कोई भी वैल्यू है, चाहे वो फ्रैक्शन हो, चाहे आपका डेसिमल हो, चाहे आपका होल नंबर हो, whenever you need to convert your value into fraction, value into percentage, you will going to multiply it by 100. Clear? Then if you are having 2 upon 9, this is your fraction, you need to convert it into percentage, so 2 upon 9 multiplied by 100. Again, whatever the value, clear, and you need to convert it into percentage, you will going to multiply it by 100. So that will going to be your 200 upon 9%. Clear with this? Or you can convert it into your mixed fraction as well. 9 2s are 18, 20, 9 2s are 18, 22, 2 by 9%. Clear with this? Second relation, relation of percentage into fraction. Yeah, you have the percentage and you need to convert it into your fraction part. So in that case, you have the percentage value, that is 35%, let's say. Clear? This is your percentage value that is being given to you, and you need to convert it into your fraction part. So that will going to be 35 into 1 upon 100. जब भी आप ये परसेंटेज का सिंबल हटाओगे, आपका मल्टीप्लाई होगी वैल्यू 1/100 से हमेशा. 7, 20, you will be getting your answer as 7 by 20. Clear? Then next, if you are having 80%, clear with this? Then again 80 would be multiplied by 1 by 100. So your 0 and 0 would be cancelled. 2, 4, 2, 5, you will be getting 4 by 5. Clear with this? Now we see the third relation. Relation of ratio with percentage. Clear? Now when we are talking about the ratio with percentage, first of all, in case if we have any ratio, let's say 7:20, clear? This is the ratio that is being given to you. Now what we are going to do, first of all we will be converting this ratio into fraction part. So that will going to be 7/20. Clear? We had converted this into a fraction. Now when we need to convert the fraction into percentage, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply the fraction by 100. Clear? जब भी आपको fraction को percentage में convert करना है, आप क्या करोगे? We are going to multiply it by 100. So 25, you will be getting 35%. Clear with this? Now again 14 by 30. This is again your ratio is being given to you. First of all, you will be converting your ratio into fraction that we have converted. Now you multiply it by 100 over here. Why? Because we need to convert the fraction into percentage. So that will going to be 140 upon 3. 3 4s are 12. 20. 3 6 are 18. 46 2 by 3 percentage. Clear with this? Again, relation of decimal into percentage. That means that we need to convert our decimal into percentage. Okay. For example, if we are having a number as, this is your decimal. Clear? You need to convert it into percentage. What you will going to do? You will simply multiply it by 100. Clear? You will simply multiply the number with 100 to convert the value into your percentage. So that will going to be your 70%. Clear with this? Now again 0.08. Clear? For example, if this is the value that is being given to you, so what you will going to do? 0.08 multiplied by 100, you will be getting 8%. Clear? This is your relation of decimal into percentage. This is your relation of ratio into percentage. Clear? Now what we are going to do, we will just going to be revise that whatever we have done it till now, we'll just revise it once again. If you have any value being given to you, let's say 7. Clear? 7 upon 100. You need to write this into a percentage. That will going to be 7 multiply 1 upon 100. It will be a 7%. Clear? Then if you have 7%, you need to convert it into your fraction. Again, that will going to be your, don't do this one. For example, if you have 35%, Clear? If you have 35%, then 35 upon 100. Clear? This is the percentage and you need to convert it into your fraction part. 5, 7, 520. You will be getting 7 upon 20 as your answer. Clear? Then in case if you have 13 upon 6, this is your fraction. You need to convert it into your percentage. What we are going to do? 13 upon 6 multiply by 100. Earlier I have said, whenever there is any fraction part, whenever there is any fraction, decimal or any value, and you need to convert all these three into your percentage one, what you will going to do? You will going to multiply it by 100. So that will going to be 2, 3, 250, 650 upon 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, 216, 2 by 3 percentage. Clear? Whenever you need to multiply it by 100, you will be getting your 216, 2 by 3. You will going to multiply it by 100. This is your first, this is your second, this is your third. Then whenever you have your ratio being given to you, for example, if you are having 3 by 5, this is your ratio and you need to convert this ratio into a percentage. What you will going to do? This is your ratio. First of all, you will be converting your ratio into fraction. Clear? This is your antecedent, this is your consequent. This is your antecedent, this is your consequent. Clear? Your antecedent is considered to be your numerator and your consequent is considered to be your denominator. So we have converted our ratio into fraction. Now we need to convert this into your decimal. You are going to multiply it by 100. Clear? 5 1 20. You will be getting 60%. This is your ratio that you had converted into your percentage. Now we take the decimal value. Clear? We take the decimal value. Now we need to convert our decimal into percentage. So 0.7 into 100 equals to 70%. 0.7 multiplied by 100 equals to 70%. Then in case if you have any percentage value, for example, if you are having 80%, yeah, and you need to convert this into your decimal part, so that will going to be 80 multiply 1 upon 100. क्योंकि पहले भी बताया है, जब भी आप परसेंट का साइन हटाओगे तब आपका मल्टीप्लाई होगा 1 अपॉन 100 से, और जब आपको परसेंटेज का साइन लगाना है तब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 100 से. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू. क्लियर? जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस. जब भी परसेंट का साइन दिया गया होगा, क्लियर, और परसेंट का साइन हटाना है, यू विल गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 1 अपॉन 100. क्लियर विद दिस? और कभी भी अगर आपको परसेंट का साइन लगाना है तो यू विल गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100. So that will going to be your 0.8%. Clear with this? I had made some of the revision sheet. Clear? Through this revision question, you will going to understand the concept properly and you could solve your assessment questions as well. Question number 1. For example, if we say convert the following fraction into percentage. Clear? We need to convert fraction into percentage. Clear? Fraction into percentage. Then for example, if you have 47 upon 100, clear, this is your fraction, you need to convert it into percentage. That will going to be 47%. Clear? Then 3 by 8. This is also your fraction. You need to convert it into percentage. So 3 by 8. मैंने क्या कहा था, कभी भी कोई भी वैल्यू हो, either it is your fraction, your decimal or your ratio, whenever you need to convert it into percentage, you tend to multiply it by 100. So what you will be getting? 4, 2, 4, 25, 25 3s are 75 upon 2%, or you could convert this value into your mixed fraction as well. 3, 7, 1 by 2% as well. Clear? Then third one, 2 by 3. Now you need to convert this into your, again, percentage. So 2 by 3 into 100, you will be getting 200 upon 3%, or you could convert it into 66, 2 by 3%. These are the examples for converting your fraction into percentage. Clear? Now we will be seeing converting percentage into fraction. Yeah, we will be converting percentage into fraction. So in that case, if we are having first says 120%, okay, so that will going to be 120 multiply 1 upon 100, because you will going to take this percentage sign out, so that will going to be your fraction will going to be 6 by 5. Clear? Then if you are having 32%, so that will again 32 multiply 1 upon 100. Clear? Then 4 8s are 32, 4 25s are 100. So you will be getting a fraction as 8 by 25. Clear? Then C part, if we are having 26 whole 2 by 3%. Clear? This is your mixed fraction. First of all, we will be converting our mixed fraction into your normal your fraction part. So 26 3s are 72, 6 3s are 18, 78, 78 plus 2, you will be getting 80 upon 3. Clear? 80 upon 3. Now you need to convert it into your normal fraction. You will going to take out this percent sign. So that means that you will going to multiply it by 1 upon 100. So 0 and 0 would be cancelled. 2 4 2 5, you will be getting your fraction as 4 upon 15. Clear? So that's how you will be getting your converted your percentage into your fraction part. Yeah, I hope that you all have understood up till now. So tomorrow we are going to discuss with some more topics related to your percentage and the other part. Go through it. I'll be putting the assignment sheet for this one also. Clear? Up till the question or up till the topic that we have discussed it now. Clear? Go through it. In case if you have any problem, you can consult me between 4 to 7. Clear? Thank you.